Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mutia Aulia Onisa from class 10 Science 2. I will give an explanation about Monmouth Castle. Monmouth Castle is a castle close to the center of the town of Monmouth, the county town of Monmouthshire, on a hill above the River Monnow in South East Wales. Once an important border castle and birthplace of Henry V of England, it stood until the English Civil War, when it was damaged and changed hands 3 times before being slated to prevent it being fortified again. After partial collapse in 1647, the site was reused and built over by Great Castle House, which became the headquarters and regimental museum of the Royal Monmouthshire Royal Engineers. Immediately after the Norman conquest, William the Conqueror installed 3 of his most trusted confidants: Hugh the Affranches, Earl of Chester, Roger of Montgomery, and William Fitzstubborn, as the Earl of Chester, Salisbury, and Hertford, respectively. The earldoms served to guard the frontier and provided base for the Norman invasion of Wales. Over the next 4 countries, Norman lords established mostly small marcher lordships between the Dee and Severn, and further west. Military adventurers came to Wales from Normandy and elsewhere, raided an area of Wales, and then fortified it and granted land to some of their supporters. William Fitzstubborn established Monmouth Castle between 1066 and 1069 as a counterpart to his other major castle at Chepstow. It occupied relatively high ground, overlooking the confluence of the Monnow with the River Wye. It was originally an earth and timber ringwork fortress, which was listed in the Domesday Book. Initially, Monmouth was a very typical border castle in the Welsh Marches, presided over by a marcher lord and similar in style and status to its near neighbours Grosmont Castle, Skinfrid Castle, White Castle, and Abergavenny Castle. The wooden castle had stonework added before 1150. Its tower shares some similarities with that of Chepstow Castle, another stronghold built for Fitzstubborn further south at the lower end of the River Wye. After briefly being held by Simon de Montfort, 6 years Earl of Leicester, Monmouth Castle passed into the hands of Edmund Crossbeck, Earl of Leicester and son of Henry III in 1267. He redeveloped the castle, building the hall, and took it as his main residence in the area. It was further improved in the early 14th century, probably by Crossbeck's grandson Henry of Grosmont, 1st Duke of Leicester. During this period, large decorated windows were installed in the upper part of the great tower, which also had a new roof. As a town developed around the castle's defenses were augmented by a town wall and fortified bridge built at the end of the 13th century.